how to fix your chat settings on Roblox mobile. So first, what you want to do is just go to your settings, and to do that, just simply click on the more options on the bottom right of Roblox right here, and scroll down till you see the settings icon. So simply click on that, then go to privacy. Click on privacy or tap on privacy, and make sure that account restrictions are disabled. So mine is currently enabled, so simply click on the account restrictions right there. And now, as you can see, it is now disabled. And scroll down a little till you see communication. As you can see, it is turned off. Make sure that it is set to default right here. Now it says that your friends can message you to set to friends, or who can text me. You could text chat with me in the app, set it to friends, and who can text chat with me, set it to everyone. So we could also set this to whatever you want. So who can message me, you could set it to everyone, friends, users I follow, and my followers. I could also set it to friends and users I follow. Once it's done, you can now open up any game, and that should basically fix your chat settings.